Hawkeye Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. It is time for the semifinals of the Super Monster Truck King of the Hill Challenge. It is another yucky, humid day here in Iowa. Oh my gosh. You know, it's kind of funny. I love the humidity in Florida, but here in Iowa, I can't stand it. I don't know why. I really don't. But anyhow, enough with that little humidity rant. Today is Hot Wheels versus Spin Master Day to see who moves on to the finals and eventually the King round. So let's go ahead, get some racing going on. All right, we are all lined up. These three trucks right here, Mega Rex, Monster Mutt Poodle, not Dalmatian Poodle. Mega Rex, Monster Mutt Poodle, and Higher Education will have a round robin tournament. It will be kind of interesting, but other than that, we are all lined up and ready to go. But guys, look at all these TikTok monster trucks lined up and ready to go. If you guys are not following my TikTok, link down below. Go check it out. Have lots of good racing going on over there as well. All right, let's go. All right, who's moving on to the finals first? You got Pure Muscle taking on Big Kahuna. Go. Spin Master strikes first. Big Kahuna moving on. Next up, it's Bone Shaker taking on W. Go. Look at that, Spin Master again, W, moving on. Next up, it's Roger Dodger taking on Granny Gravedigger. Go. Team Hot Wheels fires back. Roger Dodger, moving on. Next up is One Bad Ghoul taking on Sasquatch. Go. Oh, Sasquatch moving on. Next up is Monstrosaurus taking on the Orange Gravedigger. Go. Monstrosaurus moving on. Next up is VA Bomber taking on Crush Station. Go. VA Bomber moving on. Next up is Radical Racer taking on Queen Bee. Go. Radical Racer moving on. Next up, you got All Beefed Up taking on Gravedigger. Go. Bad to the bone. Gravedigger moving on. Next up is Two School taking on Cyclops. Go. Good race, but the gate gave it to 2 School. Next up is Donkey Kong taking on Jester. Go. You can tell the pressure's starting to get to some of these drivers. Jester moving on. We have the Battle of the Legends next. Bigfoot taking on Gravedigger. Go. Wow, the pressure is definitely setting in. That was my pick to win the championship that just lost. Bigfoot moving on.
Owner of a black Mercedes. A monster truck just ran over your car. Please see me at the front desk. Thank you.
Up next is Donatello taking on Radical Rescue. Go. Donatello moving on. Turtle Power. Yeah. Next up it's Race Ace taking on Brodozer. Go. Brodozer moving on. You cannot make mistakes in these semifinals. Up next is Chassis Snapper taking on Mohawk Warrior. Go. And that's why I fear snapping turtles more than zombies. Next up is Mega X taking on Dragon. Go. Mega X moving on. Here we go, the race that everybody's been looking forward to. It's Hot Wheels Racing number 3, the former King of the Hill, taking on Monster Mutt Rottweiler. That's a tough opponent. Can the King move on? And go. Oh my God, what a race. Hot Wheels number 3 moves on to the finals again. The champ is back. Man, oh man, listen to these fans go crazy for Hot Wheels Racing number 3. They know he's the real deal. Oh my gosh, give it up. What do you think, King? Scared? Up next is Necessary Roughness, taking on Son of a Digger. Go. Next up is Battle of the Heavyweights. Hot Wheels Delivery taking on Mystery Machine. If y'all ever want to see some big air, now's the time. Go. Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery moving on. Next up is Wild Streak taking on El Toro Loco. Go. Spin Masters are having trouble right now. Wild Streak moving on. Next up it's Hulk taking on Wildfire. Go. The Incredible Hulk fires back. Oh my gosh. He was losing at the beginning. Came back and won it. Next up is the Dodge Charger taking on Soldier Fortune. Go. Oh, big crash. Just a good old boys, never meaning no harm. Dodge Charger moving on. Next up is All Y'all taking on Shaker. Go. All Y'all moving on. Next up is Tiger Shark taking on Zombie. Go. Spin Master team's just falling apart. Tiger Shark moving on. Next up is Area 51 Patrol taking on Earth Shaker. Go. Earth Shaker moving on. Next up is Raphael taking on El Toro Loco. Go. Raph moving on. Nice. Alright, and we're to the final race of the day. This is how this is going to shape down. First up is going to be Mega Rex taking on the Poodle. The loser of that will move on to take on Higher Education. Now, let's say Poodle loses twice in a row. You're eliminated, and that will be up to Mega Rex and Higher Education to decide who moves on to the next round. Alright, up first, it's Mega Rex taking on Monster Mutt Poodle. Alright, loser takes on Higher Education. Go! Alright, Poodle lost, taking on Higher Education. If the Poodle loses, they're eliminated. Go! Alright, Poodle's safe. Up next, Mega Rex, Higher Education. Basically, for you guys following along at home, you have to lose 2 in a row to be completely eliminated. Go! Just like that, Higher Education, eliminated. And now this race decides who moves on to the finals. Poodle, Mega Rex. Who's it gonna be? Go. And it's Mega Rex moving on to the finals. Nice. And just like that, the finals are set. We have 13 heats to decide who will be moving on to the King round. Oh, hopefully you guys are ready for the finals. I know I am. I am super excited that Hot Wheels Racing number 3 hasn't made it to the finals. Hopefully he can make it to the King round. I would love to see that truck become king again, but you know what? Horsepower is real fast, but he has not had any testing on this track. So I don't know. I don't know. This is just so unpredictable. I don't know who will be moving on to the King round. Lots of tough trucks, but hopefully you guys are ready. Smash the like button on this video. That lets me and YouTube know you do enjoy the content and that you're enjoying this series. Like I said, Monster Truck content will be coming more often. Like I said, we got a super jump coming and a hill climb. I'm definitely excited for the hill climb. Don't really know how it's gonna pan out, but it's gonna be a fun time. Don't forget, over on my TikTok, we are doing the losers from YouTube, and we have a long line of winners. So go over there, peep out that content. It's a fun place to be. I put some music in the background, not soothing music, like headbanging music. Oh yeah, yeah. But guys, have a great rest of your day. Check the description down below. Got the Discord down there. Go join it. Love chatting it up with you guys, and it's a fun place to be. Chat it up with other Hot Wheels and Diecast fanatics and Pokemon collectors alike. I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing some Instagram reels. I've had some luck over there with the Pokemon stuff, so maybe we'll do some racing over there. So go follow me on Instagram, link down below. You guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you back here for the finals.